In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change the language settings on Godaddy. This is a simple process that can make navigating and managing your Godaddy account more comfortable, especially if you prefer to use a language other than English. Whether you're setting up a new domain, managing your existing ones, or using any of Godaddy's myriad of services, having the platform in your language can greatly enhance your user experience. Let's start from the very beginning. You'll first need to access the Godaddy website. Once you're there, the first step is to sign into your account. Look for the sign in button, which is usually located at the top right corner of the page. Click on it to proceed. Once you've clicked on sign in, you'll be prompted to enter your account credentials. This is where you'll type in your username and password. Make sure you enter this information correctly to avoid any access issues. If you've forgotten your password, don't worry, there's usually a link to reset it on the same page. After entering your username and password, click on the sign in button to access your account. Now that you're logged in, you're going to navigate to your account settings. To do this, locate your profile photo, which should be in the top right corner of the page. Clicking on your profile photo will open a drop-down menu with various options. Within this menu, find and click on shopgodaddy.com. This might seem a bit counterintuitive if you're looking to adjust settings rather than shop, but bear with me. Once you've clicked on that, you'll be taken to the Godaddy shop page where you can purchase domains, hosting and other services, but our focus is elsewhere. You'll need to scroll down to the bottom of the page, yes, all the way down past the offers, product descriptions and testimonials. What we're interested in lies at the very footer of the page. At the bottom you'll see various links and a bit of information about Godaddy. Among these there's a crucial detail we're after, the language drop-down menu. This menu allows you to change the language settings of the entire website. It might be represented by a flag or simply by the name of the current language being displayed. Click on the drop-down menu to reveal a list of available languages. You'll find several options ranging from Spanish to Dutch and many more. Take a moment to find your preferred language on this list. When you find it, click on it to make your selection. Upon selecting your language, the page should automatically refresh, and voila, the entire Godaddy website will now be presented in the language you selected. This change should apply to all pages within the Godaddy platform, making every step of managing your online presence in your preferred language a breeze. A few extra tips to make your experience smoother. Remember, changing the language on Godaddy's website might not alter the language used in emails or notifications you receive. These settings can typically be managed within your account preferences or by contacting customer support if you're having trouble finding the right option. Also, if you're using a public or shared computer, don't forget to sign out after making changes to your account to protect your personal information. By following these easy steps, you've successfully tailored your Godaddy experience to suit your language preference, making the management of your digital assets more intuitive and less of a chore. Remember, a more personalized setting can lead to greater efficiency, especially when dealing with technical aspects of domain and website management. Thank you for joining me today. I hope this tutorial has been helpful and you feel more comfortable navigating Godaddy in your language. If you have any questions or need further assistance, don't hesitate to reach out for support. Stay tuned for more tips and tricks to make your digital journey as smooth as possible. Happy hosting with Godaddy.